Huawei has done it again, pushing the boundaries of smartphone camera technology with its latest Pura 80 Ultra. One of the most exciting features in this device is the all-new Dual Switchable Telephoto Camera. This is a big step forward, not just for Huawei, but for mobile photography as a whole. Let's take a closer look at how this camera system works and why it's so special. First, a quick overview. The Huawei Pura 80 series is now official in China. While it's not yet confirmed when it will launch globally, the hardware it offers is already making waves. The standout design includes Huawei's signature triangular lens bump on the back, but what really caught everyone's attention is the unique camera arrangement, especially on the Pura 80 Ultra. Now, before we dive into what makes the Pura 80 Ultra's telephoto camera special, let's talk about what a periscope lens is. In smartphones, periscope cameras are typically used for high-quality zoom and macro shots. The secret is a folded optical path, which uses a prism and camera sensors to bend light at a 90-degree angle. This allows the phone to achieve high optical zoom without needing extra thickness. The result? Zoomed-in images with no loss in quality and no digital cropping. Huawei has taken this concept and upgraded it with something completely new, the Dual Switchable Telephoto Camera. Instead of having two separate telephoto cameras, Huawei has built one zoom camera that includes two different periscope lenses. One offers 3.7x optical zoom, and the other gives you 9.4x optical zoom. How is this possible in a single module? Huawei has introduced a movable prism inside the camera. This prism shifts between the two lenses depending on the zoom level you want. The text "switchable tele lens" is even written on the camera module to show off this innovation. What's even more impressive is that this system is more advanced than Sony's variable telephoto system, where lenses move to adjust zoom. Huawei's version is cleaner and more space efficient. Both lenses sit side by side within the largest camera ring on the back of the phone. The same sensor and other components are used for both lenses, and the movable prism directs light from whichever lens is in use. This setup also features the largest zoom camera sensor in the industry, a massive 1.28-inch sensor, something even Sony hasn't achieved yet. It means better low-light performance, sharper zoom, and higher image quality overall. There are major benefits to this kind of camera design. First, it saves space. By combining two zoom lenses into one module, Huawei avoids the need for two full telephoto camera units. This leaves more room inside the phone for other important parts like the battery or better cooling systems. It also helps reduce costs, which is important as image sensors are among the most expensive components in a smartphone. Let's talk specs. The Huawei Pura 80 Ultra includes a 50-megapixel ultra-large telephoto camera with f2.4 aperture, sensor shift, and anti-shake features. It also has a 12.5-megapixel ultra-telephoto camera with f3.6 aperture and the same stabilization technologies. What does this mean for everyday use? With 3.7x portrait zoom, you get natural-looking, vivid photos with a 3D effect that makes people stand out from the background. With 10x portrait zoom, you can compress the space between your subject and the background, making the photo look more cinematic. And when shooting video, 10x zoom allows you to capture distant subjects clearly and realistically in 4K resolution. It's perfect for shooting events, performances, or just capturing faraway scenes with amazing detail and color. In short, Huawei has once again proven that it leads the way in smartphone photography. The Dual Switchable Telephoto Camera in the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra is a smart, space-saving, and powerful innovation. It brings high-quality zoom photography to a whole new level, all without sacrificing size, performance, or style. That's how the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra's Dual Switchable Telephoto Camera works, and it's definitely something that could change the game for smartphone cameras moving forward. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.